I'm Ryan Frankert, and I'm a roof consultant with EAS Roofing. So normal day, usually getting at the office around like 7:30, depending when the first appointment is. Getting all the contracts printed out, measuring all the roofs before I get out to the houses so that I'm prepared. So the technology is iRoofing, and it's a satellite imagery. It's an app right on the iPad, and we're able to drop the points right on the roof to where we're not actually having to get up on the roof and measure it by hand anymore. When I show them that, they're floored by it. They look at it and they're like, oh, technology nowadays, and they think that we should still be getting up there and measuring it by hand just because not a lot of these technologies are known to the general public. Whenever I go out to the houses, that's one of the first things I ask is how they heard of us, and 90% of the time it's word of mouth. Roofs that we've done, they were extremely happy with. They were happy with the cleanup, the process from the estimate, all the way to where they were finishing up with the project manager. Whenever the job's sold, it usually takes about 4 days to get the work order, all the photos uploaded to where the project manager, once you hand it off to them, they're fully prepared. They have the blueprint for the job. They see all the previous damages, if there was any damages on the house, and if there's any complications with the house. So we have an equipter to where we invest in a lot of different things to help protect the family's home. So we have a catch-all, it's a tarping system that goes up the side of the house. And then the equipter, which is a drivable dumpster that if you have an open yard, it can drive around, we could throw the stuff right into it and it'll dump it right into the dumpster to alleviate a lot of the cleanup. Went from doing just simple laboring to being one of the installers, actually installing all the shingles on the roof, to being a service tech going around, doing all the repairs on different homes that didn't get new roofs. To where now, for the past 2 years, I've been going around giving people their assessments on the roofs for their roof estimates. I started with the company as a regular roofer, so I've always took pride in my work to where when I step back from the work and actually look at it, I'm proud to say that my name's on that. Same with estimates. Once I'm out of the house, I feel good that I've presented you with everything that you need, gave you all the information that you needed to where you're comfortable with the estimate that's provided.